In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view screenshots in TimeDoctor. Whether you're trying to track team productivity or simply reviewing your own activities, TimeDoctor's screenshot feature can be incredibly useful. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to your search engine. Type in TimeDoctor and hit Enter. You'll see a list of results, but focus on finding the one with the URL timedoctor.com. That's the official website and where you want to log in. Once on the TimeDoctor homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're logged in already, you should be directed to your main dashboard. This is your control center where you can access all features TimeDoctor has to offer. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Screencasts page. This can typically be found directly from the main dashboard or listed within the navigation bar. The Screencasts page is where TimeDoctor stores all the screenshots captured during user sessions. On the Screencasts page, you'll see the option to select the user or users whose screenshots you'd like to view. This is particularly handy if you're managing a team or overseeing multiple projects. Simply choose the user from the list to display their specific activity records. Next, set the time frame for the screenshots you want to review. Depending on what you're looking for, you can choose either a specific date or a broader date range. This will help you narrow down the screenshots to the ones that matter most to your inquiry. Once you have your user and date range set, take a look at the screenshots. Click on any of the small thumbnails to enlarge the image and get a full screen view. This is an excellent way to get a detailed look at what was happening during that time. You can examine each screenshot closely to evaluate productivity and ensure that tasks are being performed as expected. Reviewing these screenshots regularly can help you maintain a high level of transparency and accountability within your team. It's also a valuable tool for self-assessment if you're keen on understanding your own work habits better. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through TimeDoctor to view screenshots, providing you with deeper insights into daily activities. Remember, regular checks not only promote efficiency, but can also enhance trust within your team, knowing that everyone is on the same path towards achieving shared goals. Make sure to leave a comment if there's anything else you'd like to learn about TimeDoctor, and consider subscribing if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.